did you expect?
Hello everyone, Marvel has just posted official trailer of the Loki series releasing on 11th of June. The God of Mischief absolutely gets what he deserves both in the MCU as well as in the real world. In the real world, the fans will absolutely realize how did the Loki feel through the series as he has his own show like Wanda has in WandaVision. And the MCU, he will get absolutely what he deserves after stealing the Tesseract in the year 2012. And here I am not going to do a trailer breakdown as many of the things fans know before itself. But today I have a theory that this series will be like the dark web series of Netflix in some manner. So hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav, you are watching Comic Book Vaibhav. Let's begin the video. And I want to make it clear that it's just a theory, maybe it can go wrong. So Loki of 2012 stole the Tesseract and now had been caught by the TVA, that is Time Variant Authority. That make everything right if someone tried to do mischief in the time zone. And now as we know, Tesseract has a lot of importance in the timeline from Avengers to Avengers Endgame. So now TVA has to stop Loki and has to do everything right in the timeline caused by Loki. And TVA, with the help of Loki's mischief tricks, will try to do everything right in the universe. So my theory here is that after TVA will try to do everything right in the series, Loki will do his mischief and will run away after doing something wrong. And after it, he will realize that because of him the world is destroyed, like this scene in the trailer, and then he will realize that the time has gone. And then he will time travel again, and this man right there is himself and will try to make it right the things he made wrong previously. The theory is derived from the dark web series from Netflix and may work here as this is absolutely an time travel series. My second theory here is that, like I said in my previous video, that Marvel will introduce a Avenger from a series like they did with Monica Rambeau in the WandaVision and this man in the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Just like that, there will be one or maybe 2-3 new characters will be in the series, like as per some sources, this girl is Lady Loki. And many sources have stated that Kid Loki will too appear in this show. So the theory here is that this is the Lady Loki like in the comics who will try to stop Loki or maybe help Loki from a big threat. This theory is not related to Loki series but the Loki in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. That I think of it and get emotional that what if the Loki in the Avengers Infinity War was the Loki who did everything right in the timeline and went to the real timeline in between the Thor Ragnarok and dies in the hands of Thanos. I know it is not possible as Loki is the greatest anti-villain in the MCU, so Marvel needs him. But what if he dies? This is just a sad theory that makes no sense. But it will be absolutely emotion when Thor will know that his brother Loki is alive in somewhere else, and when this duo will meet in the correct timeline of the MCU, that scene will be the most emotional scene in the whole cinema history, I guarantee. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video then please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in another Marvel, DC, Netflix, Hollywood related topics. Till then, bye bye and please subscribe yaar.
Yeah.